I'm back. Folks, come along with me as I run a network cable that I have sitting in my attic. Gonna fish it through the garage ceiling, fish it down the wall, connect it, bring the internet to a new bedroom. That's all I'm gonna do. And surely as Katy Perry is an astronaut, you could do the same. Let's do it. Problem is I cannot get through my garage ceiling. They have run this big fat ductwork around and I just can't get around. I can't get over it without squishing it. So I'm feeding a pull wire in the ceiling and I'm hooking it with this Greenleaf fish pole. Got a hook on the end. It's not the hook it comes with, but that's the hook that I ended up making after the other one broke off. Just take a fish tape. You make a little hook and you put a bunch of tape on there. The thing goes out to 18 feet. It telescopes out. And all you do is you stick a small wire up in the ceiling there. I got a hole poked already. I go up into the attic up there. I stand up there at my leisure, fish my wire over. I tape my network cable on. I pull it down, I put it in the wall, I fish it down, Bob's your uncle. I'm gonna change out the 2-hole plate. And then I got some blanks. Some blanks for the unused holes. Keystone jacks for RJ45s. Punch it down in that cool little thing with a little punch down tool. And now you snap it in and you plug your network connection in.
Sorry ass DJ.
Since my router's in the bedroom, it's going to give me a spot over here. I'm going to put an Ethernet switch in so that my daughter can have a hardwired connection right in that room over there. Yes, secret's out. I have Offspring. For some reason, God let me have them. I don't know. Listen to me. This is a Greenleaf fish pole. Stretch it out and it gets tighter. You know, like that, as such. Break it down. For the policemen who have batons, collapsible batons for hitting people. Same kind of concept. It comes out, gets tight, and they go out like that. And hey, look at me, I've got a baton wand, right? Physical magic, I don't know. And then when they're done, you hit it on the ground and it breaks it down, collapses it quickly. But here, you don't want to do that, and you don't want to push it real hard here because you can bust the end out. So luckily you're not, slinging it out really hard. You pull it out enough to get it going, and then you just twist it and pull it in. Twist it and pull it in, or push it in. That's what she said. See how easy that is? Just kind of real slow. I don't even know if I'm done running cables through there. New cable goes from the router to here. This is the modem. So I'm going to put a switch here to take. It's simple. You can do your own network cables. If you need to add a spot into your kid's room or something like that, just go get one of these cool little keystone things. Comes with a little tool to punch it down on the thing. Someone let me know, comment if that thing is terrible. I use my own punch down tool. Maybe I should try using that thing. I'm gonna try using it, who knows? That's basically all I have to say about that. Put it up in the ceiling, fish it over, pull the wire down, punch it down, hook it up, internet. That's it. Talk to you later, bye.